My dear students, today I want to discuss the most important and thrilling topics of geometry, that is tangent to circle. Tangent to a circle. Tangent to a circle. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, टेंजेंट टू ए सर्किल ज्योमेट्री में बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. ट्रायंगल और सर्किल, triangle and circle both are important, but in class 10 you have to study about tangent to a circle. And before starting this chapter I want to define what is a circle. A circle is a collection of all points in a plane which are a constant distance from a fixed point. Constant distance from a fixed point. This is O, this is A, suppose this is B. So distance of OA is equal, distance of OB is equal, distance of OC is equal. My dear students, today I want to discuss most important topics of geometry, that is tangent to a circle. Now my dear student, in class 10 there are two chapters in geometry. One is triangle and other is tangent to a circle. So now you have to go through this tangent to a circle and try to understand all the important concept about tangent to a circle. So before starting tangent to a circle, I want to discuss what is circle. A circle is a collection of all points in a plane which are at a constant distance from a fixed point. The center is known as fixed point, and these all points are on the circumference of the circle. And OQ, OP, OA, OB, OC is known as radius of the circle. OA, OB, OC and OQ are known as radius of the circle, and this fixed point is known as center of circle. I hope you know all these things. Now I want to discuss. Here there are three positions of this circle and line. We here in figure see PQ is a line which do not intersect the circle. Here we see PQ is a line which intersect the circle at two distinct points. And here in figure 3 PQ is a line which intersect circle at a single point A. Now my dear student, in figure first, the line PQ and the circle have no common point. In this case, PQ is called a non-intersecting line with respect to the circle. It is known as non-intersecting line. किसके रिस्पेक्ट में? इस सर्किल के रिस्पेक्ट में. In figure 2, there are two common points A and B that the line PQ and circle have. In this case, the line PQ is known as secant of the circle. Line PQ is known as secant of the circle. In figure 3, there is only one point A which is common to the line PQ and circle. In this case, the line is called a tangent to the circle. How you define tangent to a circle? The tangent to a circle is a special case of the secant. If a line, I have just told you that if a line intersects a circle at two distinct points, then it is known as secant. And you can define limiting point of secant is known as tangent. It is a very short definition. Or here, limiting point, you get trouble from this word limiting point. So you may define the circle in this way. The tangent to a circle is a special case of the secant when the two end points of its corresponding chord coincide. Here what do we observe? We observe that A and B, here when it becomes tangent, these 2 points coincides at a single point, that is A. Now my dear student, in this way we can define the circle tangent to a circle. Tangent is a limiting point of secant, or The tangent to a circle is a special case of the secant when the two end points of its corresponding chord coincide. This is two corresponding points coincide with a single point. So now, my dear student, in this way we define tangent to a circle. Now I want to discuss some important problems of NCERT exercise 10.1. This exercise very important for the purpose of multiple type of questions. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, एक्सरसाइज 10.1 के प्रत्येक सवाल बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है MCQ क्वेश्चन के लिए. हाउ मेनी टेंजेंट्स कैन ए सर्किल हैव? ए सर्किल हैव इन्फिनेटली many tangents. A circle have infinitely many tangents. We can draw many tangents because when a circle intersect or touches a circle, when a line touches a circle at a point, then the line is known as tangent. So a circle have infinitely many tangents. Problem number 2. Fill in the blanks. A tangent to a circle intersect it in dash points. A circle intersecting, a line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called a dash. A circle can have dash parallel tangents at the most. The common point of a tangent to a circle and the common point of a tangent to a circle is called. Now, a tangent to a circle intersect it in 1 point. A line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called secant. A circle can have parallel tangent at the most. A circle can have 2 parallel tangents. How many? 2 parallel tangents at the most. The common point of a tangent to a circle and the circle is called point of contact. The common point of a tangent to a circle the common point of a tangent to a circle is called point of contact. Point of contact. My dear student, in this way we can fill appropriate terms in problem number 2, sub problem number 1, sub problem number 2, in sub problem number 3, in sub problem number 4. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 centimeters, a line through the center O at a point Q so that OQ is equal to 12 centimeter. Length of PQ is 12 centimeter, 13 centimeter, 8.5 centimeter or root 119 centimeter. This is the figure. Required length PQ is PQ in right angle triangle is OP square plus PQ square. OP square plus PQ square is equal to OQ square. So PQ square is equal to OQ square minus OP square. OQ square is equal to 12 square minus 5 square. That is 144 minus 25. That is 190. So PQ is equal to root 190 centimeter. Option D is correct. Now my dear student, problem number 4 is draw a circle and 2 lines parallel to a given line such that one is a tangent and the other a secant to the circle. Here in this figure, N is secant, M is tangent and this line L is parallel to the tangent. So what do you observe? Draw a circle and 2 lines parallel to a given line such that one is a tangent and the other a secant. Here this is a secant and this is tangent and this is tangent. So my dear student, in this way we can solve this problem. Now How it is parallel? Because here this angle is 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree also. Exercise 10.2. In question 1 to 3, choose the line, choose the correct option and give justification. In question 1 to 3, choose the correct option and give justification. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter and the distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeter. The radius of the circle is, here there are 4 options. A is equal to 17 centimeter, B is equal to 12 centimeter, C is equal to 15 centimeter and D is equal to 24.5 centimeter. My dear students, OPQ is a right angle triangle and it is given that OQ is 25 centimeter. So in right angle triangle QPO, OP square is equal to OQ square minus QP square. So OP is equal to root over OQ square minus QP square. So R is equal to 25 square minus 24 square. So you do factorization. It will convenient for you in calculation. So 25 square minus 24 square can be written as 25 plus 24 into 25 minus 24 and it will be 49 into 1, that is 7 centimeter. So option A is correct. So my dear student, now I want to discuss problem number 2. In figure, if TP and TQ are the two tangent to a circle with center O, so that angle POQ is equal to 110, then angle P2Q is equal to 60 degree, 70 degree, 80 degree, 90 degree. Since angle OPT and OQ2 is equal to 180 degree, 180 degree, because PT and QT are the tangents at the point P and Q. Therefore, POQ2 is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now, angle POQ plus PTQ is equal to 180 degree, POQ is equal to 110 degree, and PTQ is equal to 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. Hence, B is correct option. If tangent PA and PB from a point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other at angle of 80 degree, then angle POA is equal to 50 degree, 60 degree, 70 degree, 80 degree. So my dear student, I have just told you earlier that this chapter is very, very important for the purpose of multiple type of questions, and so many problems are here on the concept of cyclic quadrilateral. You know about cyclic quadrilateral. You have studied about cyclic quadrilateral in class 10. Now here APOB is a cyclic quadrilateral because PA is tangent, PB is tangent. Or also here it is given that, so this angle will be 180 degree. Now right angle triangle OPA and OPA, right angle triangle OAP and OBP both are congruent. So angle POA is equal to angle POB. Both are equal. So this angle AOB is equal to 100. So angle AOP is equal to 50 degree. My dear student, I have discussed all the things here. Since in triangle POA and triangle POB both are congruent, so angle AOP is equal to angle BOP. Therefore, angle AOP is equal to half of angle AOB. So angle AOP is equal to half into 100 is equal to 50. Hence, option A is correct. So my dear student, now I want to discuss next problem. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, अब जो सवाल मैं आपको समझा रहा हूँ वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है 2 नंबर के लिए. प्रूव दैट द टेंजेंट्स ड्रॉन एट द ends of a diameter of a circular equal. circle are parallel, not equal. So it is tangent. Suppose this line L is tangent. So this angle is 90 degree and line M is tangent. So this angle 2 is 90 degree. So what do you observe? We observe that the alternate interior angles are equal. Or this angle also equal. Angle 3, suppose this angle will be equal. So corresponding angles are equal. So you can solve this problem by using the concept of parallel lines. Two lines are parallel if corresponding angles are equal. If alternate angles are equal, when AB is here transversal. So my dear student, in this way we can solve this problem. Now this problem number 5 is very, very conceptual and important. Prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. ये आपको प्रूव करना है. ये हम लोग किस मेथड से करेंगे? ये हम लोग कंट्राडिक्शन मेथड से करेंगे. कैसे? Now let perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent does not pass through at center. Does not pass through at center. So O dash P perpendicular to PT. O dash P perpendicular to PT. Now OP is joined. OP is also perpendicular to PT because radius perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. हम पहले मान लिए कि O dash P एक लाइन है जो सेंटर से पास नहीं होता है और ये इस पर परपेंडिकुलर है. ये मान लिए, सपोज किए, और उसको हम कंट्राडिक्शन दिखा देंगे. तो कंट्राडिक्शन मेथड इज वेरी, दिस टूल इज वेरी पावरफुल इन सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ ज्योमेट्री एंड ऑल्सो इन अदर चैप्टर ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स. नो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, हम कंसीडर किए O dash P इस पर क्या है, परपेंडिकुलर है. तो ठीक है भाई, O dash P परपेंडिकुलर है PT पर, और सिंस PT is tangent, so OP is radius, so it is also perpendicular at the point of contact. तब from first and second we get OP and O dash P are perpendicular to PT. OP and O dash P must coincide. ये तभी संभव है जब ये दोनों coincide कर जाए. As only perpendicular can be drawn from a point on a line. एक ही perpendicular डाल सकते हैं. कहाँ से? O से. Hence perpendicular from the point of contact passes through the center. Hence perpendicular from the point of contact passes through the center. ये तब संभव है जब O dash O से coincide कर जाए, यानी सेंटर से coincide करता है. इसलिए प्रूफ हो गया कि perpendicular from the point of contact passes through the center. Now, two concentric circles are of radii 5 cm and 3 cm. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches this smaller circle. Since OA is equal to 5, OT is equal to 3, OT perpendicular to AB, and these two circles are concentric. Therefore, AT is equal to OTA is a right angle triangle. AT is equal to OA square minus OT square, that is 4 cm. So AB is equal to twice OT, that is 8 cm. My dear student, now I want to discuss some more very, very important problem. So this problem is very, very important for the purpose of examination. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. विद्यार्थियों, मैं जो बात कहना चाहता हूँ, आप 8th क्लास से ही पढ़े हैं. क्या पढ़े हैं? कि किसी भी सर्किल पर आउट पॉइंट से, आउटर पॉइंट से हम 2 टेंजेंट डाल सकते हैं. कितना टेंजेंट डाल सकते हैं? 2 टेंजेंट डाल सकते हैं, और दोनों का लेंथ बराबर होता है. 2 टेंजेंट्स आर ड्रॉन टू ए सर्किल फ्रॉम ए पॉइंट विच इज आउटसाइड ऑफ द सर्किल. ये बहुत कंसेप्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है, जिससे कि 10 का सवाल एग्ज़ाम में पूछता है. इसलिए इसी सवाल से, इसी कंसेप्ट से हम बहुत सारा सवाल बनाएंगे. आप इसको ध्यान से पढ़िए, ध्यान से जानिए, 8 क्लास 9 क्लास के चीज़ों को रिकॉल कीजिए और इसमें लगाइए. तो विद्यार्थियों, और सर्कमस्क्राइब सर्कमस्क्राइब मतलब इस सर्किल के बाहर ABCD एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल बना है और सर्किल के बाहर है, सर्किल के बाहर है. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Length of tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal. This is basic. We have AS is equal to AP, PB is equal to BQ, CR is equal to CQ, DS is equal to DR. Now AB plus CD can be written as, we split this segment AP plus PB, AB is equal to CD is equal to CR plus DR, and now AP is equal to AS. Length of the tangent drawn from external points are equal. PB is equal to BQ by the same region. CR is equal to CQ and RD is equal to DS. And now we make a group of these segments. So AS plus DS is equal to AD. AS plus DS is equal to AD. And similarly BQ plus CQ is equal to BC. So my dear student, in this way we can solve so many problems involving the length of the tangents drawn from external point to the circle are equal. Now my dear student, we will solve some more important problems involving this concept in next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.